Hello everyone. Next discuss cockroach respiratory system. The previous class discussed the trachea and stigmata. The cockroach respiratory system mainly contain stigmata, trachea, tracheoles. Previous class discuss stigmata and trachea. Next one discuss wall of the trachea. Wall of the trachea. The cockroach, the wall of the trachea contain mainly three layers. The trachea is formed by the mainly three layers. The trachea is formed by the mainly three layers. First one outer a basement membrane. Outer basement membrane. Outer basement membrane. Middle epithelium. A middle epithelium. Third one inner intima. Inner intima. Inner intima. Inner intima. So the trachea walls is for the trachea, the cockroach trachea is formed by the mainly three layers: outer basement membrane, middle epithelium, inner intima. Outer basement membrane, middle epithelium, inner intima. So the intima has a spiral thickenings. Intima has a spiral thickenings. Is called, the spiral thickenings is called ctenidia. It's called the spiral thickenings is called ctenidia. So the wall of the trachea contain mainly three layers: outer basement membrane, middle epithelium, inner intima. Inner one is the intima. Intima has a spiral thickenings. Intima has a spiral thickenings is called as ctenidia. So these are the spiral thickenings is called the ctenidia. So ctenidia function, it has always openings of the trachea. The ctenidia help from the always opening of trachea. Always opening up trachea. Next one, prevent collapsing. Prevent collapsing. So these are the ctenidia functions. So the ctenidia function. So ctenidia are the spiral thickenings, round thickenings. So these functions. So the always opening of the trachea. Trachea is a tube-like structures. So these tube-like structures are the round spiral thickenings is called as ctenidia. So the ctenidia helps from the always opening of the trachea. Next one, prevention of the collapsing. Protecting of the trachea. Protection of the trachea. So these are the wall of the trachea. Next one, third side heading tracheole. Next one, third side heading tracheole. Third side heading tracheole. Tracheole. Third one is a tracheole. The tracheal branches. First find the tracheal branches. The tracheal branch ends with tracheolar cells. So the tracheal branches end with the tracheolar cells. So they are the trachea. The tracheal branches ending with the tracheolar cells. So they are the tracheolar cell. So the tracheal branches ending the tracheolar cells. The tracheal branches ending with the tracheolar cells. Next one, so these are the tracheoles. So these are the black lines are the tracheoles. So the tracheoles is formed by the protein. Tracheoles is formed by a protein called tracheoles is formed by a protein is called trachin. The protein name is called trachin. The tracheoles is formed by the protein. That protein is called the trachin. That protein is called the trachin. Next one, the tracheoles filled with a fluid. So they are the tracheoles. The tracheoles filled with a fluid is called tracheolar fluid. Tracheoles filled with a fluid is called tracheolar fluid. Is called tracheolar fluid. The tracheoles filled with a fluid. That fluid is called the tracheolar fluid. So these are the tracheoles. The tracheoles filled with a fluid. That fluid is called the tracheolar fluid. So the tracheolar fluid is more. The tracheoles filled with a fluid. The tracheolar fluid. The tracheolar fluid is more. It is more. So the insect is inactive. So the insect is inactive. So the tracheoles, the filled with a fluid, that fluid is called tracheolar fluid. The tracheolar fluid is more in the tracheoles. So is the insect is inactive. The insect is inactive. Next one, the tracheolar fluid. The tracheolar fluid is absorbed. So the insect is active. The insect is active. So these are the tracheoles. So the tracheoles filled with a fluid, that fluid is called the tracheolar fluid. The tracheolar fluid completely filling with the tracheoles. That time the insect is inactive. So this diagram, the filled with a fluid. So the insect is inactive. So this fluid completely reabsorbed. This fluid is completely absorbed. That time the insect is active. So these are the tracheoles. First one, tracheole. The tracheal branches ending with the tracheolar cells. The tracheal branches ending with the tracheolar cells. Next one, the tracheoles formed by the protein. So these tracheoles is formed by a protein. That protein name is called the trachin. Next one, the tracheoles are filled with a fluid. That fluid is called the tracheolar fluid. That fluid is more in the tracheoles. The insect is inactive. So the tracheolar fluid is completely absorption. The insect is active. So these are the cockroach respiratory system. Majorly the cockroach respiratory system consists of the stigmata, trachea and tracheoles. So the blood, there is no involving of the respiration because of the blood absent of the respiratory pigment. So there is no involving of the transport of the gases. So they are the special structure is called the tracheal system is presenting in the cockroach respiratory system. So these tracheals are the tube-like structures. So these are helps from the transport of the gases.